Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe on your iPhone. First, head over to the App Store and download the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Once installed, simply sign in with your existing Adobe ID or create a new account if you're new to Adobe. This central hub will be your gateway to a wide array of powerful Adobe applications, all optimized for your mobile device. You'll be surprised by the creative possibilities right at your fingertips. Your iPhone can become a powerful creative studio with apps like Photoshop Express, perfect for quick photo enhancements and fun collages. For more in-depth photo editing and organization, Lightroom Mobile offers professional-grade tools. If video is your passion, Premiere Rush allows you to shoot, edit, and share high-quality videos with ease. And for document management, Adobe Acrobat Reader is indispensable for PDFs. One of the biggest advantages of using Adobe on your iPhone is the seamless integration with Creative Cloud. This means you can start a project on your phone, perhaps editing a photo in Lightroom, and then effortlessly pick up exactly where you left off on your desktop computer or tablet. All your assets, custom fonts, and libraries are accessible from anywhere, making collaboration with others incredibly simple and efficient. To get the best experience with Adobe apps on your iPhone, a few tips can make a big difference. Always ensure your device has ample storage space for your projects and app data. Keeping both your Adobe applications and your iOS updated to their latest versions will guarantee optimal performance and access to new features. Closing unnecessary background apps can also free up valuable system resources, and for detailed work, an external stylus can offer much more precise control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.